Hi Mike. I do need help. I have a General Switch Company 200 service panel that needs a new main breaker. As you probably know, it is about 40 years old. What are my options? Anyone make replacement parts? Thanks, Walt.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Go to BreakerKing.com. They show having a refurbished breaker.
I have not been able to find the part at the Breaker King site. To repeat, it is a General Switch breaker, not a General Electric breaker. Thanks, Walt.
Google General Switch 200A main breaker. Several sites show your breaker.
Mike, sorry but no can find. There are plenty at General Electric breakers, but I have a General Switch Company 200 amp main breaker, type GDP, 2-pole. Sorry, I am not an electrician but a friend of mine who has inspected the panel and found it defective. Walt.
Walt, they showed it on their ad, but as you found, they dawn in number 39. Have it. Try electricneedsync.com. I saw your breaker there.
Okay, thanks. I see a pic of it. Both new and refurb. Walt.
Very good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.